Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of downloading the Play Store on your Sony Smart TV. First, ensure your Sony Smart TV is compatible with the Play Store before proceeding. To check compatibility, access the Settings menu by pressing the Home button on your remote. Now, navigate to the Apps section where you'll find the available applications. In the Apps section, search for the Play Store to see if it's available for download. If you can't find the app, you might use the built-in browser to access the Play Store website. Follow the prompts to download and install the Play Store app directly onto your television. In case of issues, check your internet connection and ensure your TV software is up to date. Once installed, explore countless apps available on the Play Store tailored for your Sony Smart TV. Thank you for watching. Remember to keep your TV updated and explore the wide array of apps to enhance your viewing experience.